the acceptance and installation phase. The third of our 4 phases is divided into 3 steps, including the factory acceptance test, FAT, the delivery and installation of the system, and the final site acceptance test, SAT. During the FAT, our project managers and technicians validate the machine together with the client, whereby the required URS tests and performance runs are simulated and ultimately verified by the client. This is how we, and above all our clients, ensure that the equipment meets all requirements and that nothing stands in the way of final delivery. After the successful FAT, the machine is delivered to the client and installed and set up by our technicians. The focus at this point, apart from the actual setup, is also on testing interfaces with other assembly line machines. The final step is the SAT, which is similar to the FAT, except that it is carried out at the client's premises. The client works with our service technicians to once again carry out various performance runs and validate the flawless functioning of the machinery in the production line. Once all tests, including the SAT, have been passed, the client puts the machine into operation and the warranty period begins.